Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wasn't planning to go to Thailand actually because my family had plans to go to China together, but they're not fixed on the date, so I thought might as well just go to Thailand alone, and if they're going to China I'll just meet them afterward. I literally just booked my flight 2 days ago and I wasn't even planning on like making a vlog out of the trip, but I just bought a new camera, so here we are. So I just made it to my gate with my Awe. Dari tadi lari-lari gara-gara panik ketinggalan pesawat. Sampai rambutku udah hancur semua padahal belum terbang sama sekali. Pas waktu check-in, aku tuh lupa mau request window seat. Jadi perasaanku tuh seneng banget karena ternyata aku dapat 1 row kosong. Bisa istirahat selonjoran, makan sambil nonton, long flight jadi nggak kerasa. Dan tiba-tiba
Yo, what's up, guys? Kalian.
ออกไปได้ทำไงดีเชียวยังไงนะเมื่อกี้มึงบอกยังไงให้ผังเปียเหรอเข้ายังไงวะ
Jadi guys, ini kan kita baru sampai rumah. Ini kopernya bisa masuk tapi nggak bisa keluar. Menkan ya. Hari kedua kita seharian di mobil, road trip pergi ke kampung halamannya si Melin, Chanthaburi. We only stopped once at the rest area for a little bathroom break dan sekalian makan siang, which was our first meal of the day. And when we got there, her mom welcomed us with some home cooked meals. Sebenarnya tujuan kita ke Chanthaburi itu karena mereka tiba-tiba ada work emergency. Their family is in the durian business. Jadi setelah sarapan kita langsung ke lahan durian mereka.
Honey, I like moving out of state, I went out of my mind. Took a few nights, blew all my money without even trying. You said if follow dreams, didn't want to leave as much as you.
I've actually been seeing this type of vehicle roaming all over Thailand, and I've been wanting to try, so this is our grandpa driving me around before we went back home. My friend wanted me to drive back, so he tried teaching me how to ride a motorcycle, which obviously wasn't a great idea.
ไปดิเฮ้ยอีเชียวอีเชียวอีเชียวอีเชียวอีเชียวอีเชียวอีเชียวไปตุ้ยไปเลยโกเหี้ยเอ้ยเชียวโกเลย
And then we went to her cousin's house, which, you guys, I'm not even kidding, they have a freaking vineyard, and so this is just casually their backyard. And since we didn't really have anything to do, we went to see the waterfall.
กูเหนื่อยมากเลยตอนนี้
นั่นไงพี่ Oh my god, Lon. Dan ini harus jalan naik. Ini belum sampai tiket office-nya kita udah capek. Mi rถไหมนี่ไงรถ10 บาทเองไป ไอ้ควาย
Last few years of normal, underwhelmed and tired. Brady kept winning, the sun kept spinning, play clock kept expiring. Maybe it was meant to feel like coming home. Maybe I'm supposed to feel bad, but I don't.
มาเชียวกูเริ่มมากๆเลย
We were exhausted from all the hiking, so we went for lunch. I love nab. Dan kebetulan di sebelahnya ada mall, so we went there to get a refreshment since it was so hot today.
ข่าวไว้เนี่ย
ก็จะทำเลย
น่าจะเบื่อที่เซ็นทรัลนี่อย่างกังหาวน่าเป็นสิ่งที่ทำไมวะกินได้
ไม่เก่ากี้
กินได้ปะ
คิดได้
ไม่ได้ตกไปได้เลยฮะ
มันมาจากปากกู
ฮะ
กูขายที่กูกิน
And then we had dinner at this like seafood place. I mean, it's Thai food, so it's obviously great. But the venue definitely left me speechless. Starting off with the whole setup giving camping energy to using antiques as decorations. I was so impressed by their collection because unlike any other collectors who only got clocks and whatnot, but they also got every household item that were probably from the 80s. I spent quite a lot of time admiring these pieces because it's quite impressive to me that they could keep it on such pristine conditions. Anyways, we went to the beach the next day.
Honey, I like moving out of state, I went out of my mind. Took a few nights, blew all my money without even trying. You said to follow dreams, didn't want to leave as much as you wanted. I'll go.
The beach was 2 hours away from the house, so we stopped for dinner halfway back. The restaurant we went to was on top of a mangrove swamp, which I thought was really cool because I've never seen one myself, and we actually made it there just in time to enjoy the sunset. We went straight home from dinner, but we got bored, so we went out again and ate so much more at the night market. Because it was our last day in Chanthaburi, Maylin's mom wanted to cook something special for me. Nice. Oh! She's honestly such an amazing cook. Everything she makes is so good. And then we went to surprise Maylin's grandma after breakfast because it just so happens to be her birthday. Before finally heading back to Kungtip. Jadi kita baru sampai Bangkok jam 6 sore dan sekarang kita langsung keluar cari makan. Di daerah perumahan mereka itu banyak banget yang jualan makanan. So mostly kalau kita lagi mager, ya tinggal cari makan di sekitar komplek. Jadi tadi habis makan, itu kan pulang, chilling at home. Terus sekarang kita mau berangkat ke tempat Mookata. And I'm wearing the Thai pants. If you know, you know. Sambil nunggu antrian, kita jajan dulu. This Mookata restaurant is always so packed because it's located next to a university and they're very affordable. It's such a good deal because the sauce and vegetables are free. You can take as much as you want and all you have to pay for is the meat.
What's it like inside your mind, my dear?
Pagi ini kita mulai dengan makan in one of my favorite restaurants in Thailand, Bonchon.
Yeah, Bonchon.
Let's go. Enak bowl. Every time I'm in Thailand, I always eat an unhealthy amount of food because everything is just so good. So that afternoon, we decided to go on a walk. I've actually been wanting to do it on my own since the first day because I wanted to explore the neighborhood myself. But I was too afraid to not remember the way back. Dan karena tadi siangnya hujan, si Sela tiba-tiba pengen jalan. Udaranya tuh sejuk banget. The view is very enjoyable. Dan bahkan kita sempat belanja di pasar. Kayak Triko di Indo. Triko itu my favorite, so I wanna try this one. Tapi karena kita jalannya sama si Sela, I already know the walk wasn't gonna last.
กูจะ带มึง去 market ไง
ยังไง
จ่าตรงสีชื่อ
There's a lot of night markets in Thailand, and there happens to be one near their house. The original plan was to just get some snacks, but because we were so exhausted from the walk, we bought so much food, they just ended up being our dinner.
Ini wow, enak wow. Wow, like ini dari yang the second store.
Second store.
Di iman bejo. ไม่โยแบบตีอีแบบกัน
ตายแล้วมึงอีเชลเผ็ดแน่ไอ้เหี้ย
wow.
Besoknya kita makan di daerah komplek lagi. Di sini porsinya kecil, jadi aku makan 2 porsi. Ini kita makannya berdua aja, karena aku sama Sisa bangunnya telat. Kita makannya nyantai, enjoy. Karena Meli udah pergi sendiri, nggak nunggu di rumah. Dan tiba-tiba aku itu ingat kalau hari ini tuh kita sebenarnya janjian sama teman kita. So then we rushed to the MRT. Sampai rambut kita tuh kacau balau semua. We stopped by a stamp museum on the way, thinking it would only be a 5-minute detour, but there were so many stamps there, we ended up staying for an hour. And since we were in a rush, we decided to use Grab to meet up with our friends at MBK Center. We had reserved a time slot for a game, which I think is called The Floor's Lava. So once we met up with our friends, we went straight to the game hall. What I like about the place is that they have multiple rooms with so many different games. So this skill that started out of nowhere is actually quite useful, considering this was the gameplay in the next room. The basketball is my least favorite room, just because it drains so much energy.
2, 1.
This last room is my favorite. Basically, you just had to press a button according to the ordinal number, while avoiding the red eye. We were physically so exhausted, but there was an escape room there, and I could never resist a good scare. We had dinner in Yawarat because it happens to be on our way home. I've tasted most of the food there. And trust me when I say there's only one street vendor that actually sells good food. And it's this one right here next to Boots.
Jadi pas di hari pertama kita ke rumahnya Merin, kali ini kita mau ke rumahnya Sa. Ini udah di perjalanan, ini di rest area lagi. Pesan KFC, ini kalian harus coba kalau kalian di Thailand, semua enak pol. Namanya Wingstop. Kita loh sebenarnya dari Bangkok itu deket, cuman kita itu nyampenya malam gara-gara berhenti banyak kali buat makan lah, buat pipis. Terus ini udah nyampe di Phetchaburi.
Phetchaburi is near Hua Hin, so we went there for a staycation the next day with Sua's cousin.
So let's do a room tour. Di sini ada pintu masuknya dan ini ada toiletnya. Terus ini buat mandi di sini. Langsung lanjut ke bedroom.
I know you needed me, but I needed you more. When did this love become about keeping score? I don't know, but I'm trying to figure this out on my own.
My friends wanted to rest for a bit, so I decided to explore the hotel myself. This was their kids' playroom, and out of all the hotels I've been to, I feel like this was the best one. Maybe I just liked how everything was beige, but they also have this slide that even I want to go on. Also, not to mention the sanitary of the place. They actually clean it quite often, and it just makes the place feel so welcoming and cozy. They also have a little garden outside where they plant all the herbs they use to cook our breakfast. This place is truly the definition of heaven on earth.
When you need it, and then give it when you don't. Love, 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 love. You know you wanna say it, but you're praying that you won't. 'Cause what if you love someone and love you they don't?
So after a few dips here and there, we went to the night market for dinner. And as always, we ordered so much food. And I tried crocodile meat for the first time, and they turned out to be very hard to chew. And then her girlfriend met us back at the hotel, so we just played in our room. Those Chinese guy video has been all over social media, and we've been wanting to play since forever, so we did. was definitely a night to remember. We literally only went to bed because we got a noise complaint. So today is my last day in Thailand. This place is actually a campsite. It has the most amazing views and coincidentally a restaurant too. So we went here to have my last meal before finally leaving Thailand and continuing my journey to China. So keep an eye out for that vlog and thank you so much for watching this one.